Hey!
Are you going to give the stick directions? You want me to? Okay. You ready?
Just like the simulator, just look at the airplane.
Okay. You have it.
Okay, Nelly, you're flying.
There you go. A little back stick. A little more throttle. There you go. Good. Alright, you got it. Left stick a little for a turn. That's enough. Now hold back. Pull back toward you. Pull back. Pull back. Okay. Alright, you got it. There you go. That's good. Now just let it fly straight. Right stick. Right stick. The airplane?
Yeah.
Okay, you have it.
Keep your hands on the left.
Now, left. That's enough. Now just pull back the stick just a little. That's good. Right stick. Move it to the right. That's enough. Beautiful. You made a turn. More. This is
Show off.
Go more. That's good right there. A little back stick. Okay, why don't you go to full throttle? Right stick. Right stick. Okay, now when I tell you, left stick. Alright, pull all the way back and hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. One more time. Alright, you got it. There you go. That's good. Now just let it fly straight. Right stick, right stick. Okay.
Let go, Liberty. Pull back, Liberty.
So I'll give you the stick directions, okay? Alright, good, you got it. And a little left stick, just a little left. That's enough. Good. Alright, now left stick on. Hold back a little.
Mom,
Back, level.
you gotta try.
Time to land.
Woo! Yeah, go, Liberty. It makes it whole.